Hey everybody, it's Lance from Two Guys and a Mouse, and today I'm at Coronado Springs and we're gonna check out one of their standard rooms. So why don't you come with me and check it out? All right, so here we are in the room. And when we enter, you got your standard light switch. There's the air conditioning unit. You got two nice large beds and ceiling fan and a little chair. You got a desk, coffee maker, ice bucket. Down here, you got a little fridge cooler to keep your beverages nice and cool. Under bed storage for your luggage and whatnot. Some nice little, let me turn these lights on over here. There we go. Nice little artwork. And you got the outlets with USB. Standard center console here with a safe. Large big television. You got some drawers. Full length mirror here. And the bathroom's got these barn doors so that you can have some privacy while you're washing up. And you do have a closet over here to hang your clothes. There's the extra pillow and blanket. Iron. I believe this side's got the ironing board. Yep, there it is. And then we've got some more storage. Very large mirror going on here. Dual sink with the H2O, well, the last of the H2O stuff. And there's the new Disney Resorts hygiene stuff. You got your towels, some under sink storage, and a shower, stand-up shower in here. In the toilet room is a pocket door here, so you can have some privacy. And moving on into the shower here, there's your bath and whatever. Alrighty. And we'll check out the view real quick here. So I'm on the 3rd floor, looking out over the lagoon, or the lake, I guess, since the bar is called Lago, which I guess means lake in Spanish. All right, and that's the room tour, guys. So, hey, we appreciate you coming to hang out with us today. And if you do like this video, please like and share it with your friends. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you wouldn't mind, please consider subscribing and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. That's it for today, and we'll be back a little bit later on in the week with a resort tour and some other videos. So we'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.